Now we can see a red sign beneath the traffic light. What does that mean?
Prepare for second signal. There's another signal.
Okay, can you see the second signal?
Over there?
Yeah, where that bus is now. Yeah. Okay, so as you're turning, keep an eye out at that light. And the only reason it go red is when somebody's crossing. So it's a pedestrian crossing. That's very close to the traffic light. They should have had one installed over here, if you ask me. Will the speed limit change when we go on to the next road?
40.
What will it go to?
40.
Okay. So we're in a 30 then?
Yeah.
Okay. What's the name of the new road we're going on to?
A65.
The name of the road though.
Skipton.
We can see that. It says new road something. Can you see it? Immediately in front of you. New roadside. That's the name of the road.
Ah, okay.
Yeah? So now keep an eye on the second traffic light that we're referring to.
Yep.
And if it's safe, continue on your journey. That's fine. And we can see, like you said, the lights on the white line. There was no white line for that learner driver. But the learner driver is a new person, so he's going to make mistakes. And then the instructors has prompted him to clear the junction. Don't go any slower. Don't make a very sudden speed drop. From 40 to 29 would be fine, but from 40 to 22 it's very big. If you can find a safe place to pull up on the left. Okay, good. No problem with your driving. There's no issues at the moment. But be aware on this road that the junctions from the left and from the right extend into this road. So they're almost halfway into this road. So that junction on the right is okay. It's set with the pavement. But the road behind you, if you look in your rear view mirror, can you see it? The junction is actually into the middle of the road.
Oh, yeah.
Be consciously aware of that on this road. So if you're going to overtake a vehicle that's turning right, don't go into a side road to go back into your road. And remember that cars will stop in the middle, so don't be scared. Like, don't do what this black Jeep's done now. He went into the road on the left. Now you have to remember, if there's anyone coming out from a side road, which their road extends into the parking bay. So if you look in the road behind you, you'll see that that road extends into the parking bay.
Yeah.
So if that car is turning right, he's going to come into the middle of the road, almost. Be aware of that and don't be startled by that. Yeah, don't get too worried. It's just how it works. Because the lines are there, that's what he's supposed to be doing. And if the lines are there and you are on your test and you have to do that, you have to go to the give way before you turn right. Okay? When you're ready, move off, please. And that's what they call effective observation, what you've done now. That's good, well done, that's nice. As you're travelling along this road, watch out for anyone on the left that park their cars like perpendicular. Keep an eye, make sure they're not reversing out. And this is quite a busy area in terms of driving. So there's a lot of development hazards that you need to scan the road continuously as you're travelling, especially when it warms up. So when it warms up, people are outside here in the cafes, in the bars, drinking, having coffee, whatever, and lots of children. Personally, I think it should be 20 here now. And we'll see that happening. It won't be long before they decide it becomes a 20. Well done. I'm glad you slowed down. That's good. It's good what you're doing now. It's making sense to you now. That's fine. Well done. So in terms of you copy and paste another lorry next to him, and if you can fit through, fine. If not, you have to wait. So we can see the roundabout we're approaching now, and this is your signal control roundabout.
Yep.
Now, how do we know that? We can see traffic lights. So if we're following the sign for Harrogate, which is the third exit, we need to be behind the Audi, the blue coloured car. Now that we know our exit is a third exit on this signal control roundabout, establish where your exit is. So physically look. Lovely. So we know that we need to go that way. So we need to go around the roundabout to your 3 o'clock. So once you go past your 12 o'clock, can you remember what you told me? You're going to go to what side of the road?
To the left side.
Good. So as soon as you see your lane, so after exit number 2, look at the floor. As soon as you see your lane, drive into that lane.
Okay.
Just to give you a heads up, we call this the horse roundabout. We can see a horse in the middle. Your traffic lights are synchronized with that road coming up. The ring road coming up, okay? So after the second exit, you go into lane 1. That's one exit done. Nice and slow so you understand it. That's 2. So this lane that you want, that's it, yes.
Okay.
Lovely.
Okay.
That's fine. Yeah, that's fine. I do, yeah. So if you look behind you, that traffic flow will move when your lights go green. They're moving, now your lights have gone green, and you carry on. There we are. Okay, we've done it from one place, but we're going to come back and do it from a different place on a different test route. Okay, so we're going to go down towards the roundabout again, so we're going to continue following the road ahead. We're then going to come up like on a different test route and do it from a different position.